Hi guys, good morning. I'm Luigi from Less Vacation, and welcome to Travel Tip Tuesday. It is like travel school, but in bite-sized chunks. Taking wrinkly clothes out of your bag while traveling is always a disappointment. Instead of being excited to wear an outfit, the wrinkles can make you self-conscious about it. But it doesn't have to be this way, because everyone deserves to look their best while traveling. So this is today's tip. When packing, don't fold, roll your clothes. This is known by a few names such as the Ranger Roll, the Military Roll, or the Burrito Roll. Rolling your clothes is the best way that you can pack. This method will drastically reduce wrinkles and prevent those hideous creases that can occur while traveling. Plus, rolled items can be packed more tightly into your bag or packing cube's corners, allowing you to pack more. If you want to learn how to roll your clothes, see the links in the description of this video, and I'll teach you how to do it step by step. All right, now without those horrible wrinkles caused during transit, your clothes will look great right out of your bag. So you will look your best while traveling. Plus, you have the added bonus of more packing space. So you have the room to pack a few extra shirts. It's a win-win. All right, so that was today's Travel Tip Tuesday's tip, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please click the subscribe button now, and you will get a new travel tip every Tuesday to help you pack less, carry less, and experience more on your trips. I'm Luigi from Less Vacation. Happy trails.